I think what I'm excited about is that I could create a body of work and my themes can come through clearly. So it's not like exhibiting with other artists. Sometimes you exhibit with 10 other artists and the themes become mixed up. And I really like the fact that I could work on it for a long time. I knew for a year that I was going to be here. So, and without moving away from my themes, I had to create an entire new body of work. So 27 new works, which is, that's why I get up at 3 a.m. And I'm excited for viewers to be able to experience the art with the wine and the food. And everybody here is so excited about doing whatever they do. It's everybody is really into it. So that I'm really excited about.